We are in Chicago, and this is a city view room at the Trump International Hotel. Right away, you can see the room's pretty spacious, just in this entrance area. And you have the bathroom right up front of you. As you can see, there's a TV in the mirror, which is super cool. And then coming across, this is a really nice shower area, super spacious, and you have the bathtub inside the shower. So that is pretty cool. Like I said, you got the TV and the mirror, and then you can come around to a nice sink area. Extra towels down there, trash can, toilet. They even give you a scale and some nice robes. If you come across here, this is where the door area is. There is a nice little closet, coat closet type area right here by the door. So that's pretty cool. Go ahead and close that. And then you can see the bathroom has this like opaque glass finish on that door, so that's pretty cool. And that just slides over there. As we come in, we have this little mini bar area. So there is a stove, a sink, we got a little dishwasher, and these cabinets are actually stocked with some really nice pans and pots. And then you have glasses and all that you need up there. You get a little Nespresso coffee maker and water bottles, which the water is included, so if you need more you can just ask them and they'll send some up. And then you have their nice like little mini bar area and the refrigerator, which is fully stocked with mini bar items and ice down at the bottom. The room has a really nice big TV, pretty big dresser, a desk, and then this is a king size bed, and the ceilings are super high, so it feels really spacious. Got the nightstands, which are nice and big, and then our closet. The closet light comes on automatically, which is super cool. Really spacious, nice big full length mirror, and then on the other side they have hangers. And there's even a steamer, so you can steam any of your nicer looking clothes. That's that kitchen area again. And this is the city view room. So the last video what we did was on a river view, but this one's the city view. And this is what our view looks like. Still a really cool view of Chicago. It's just on the other side, not like the one on the river that we were in the last time. You can see some of the other buildings and the rooftops over there, and there's the Hancock Tower. But overall the presentation's really nice, and it is a beautiful hotel room.